Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Right, today it's been a bit of a nightmare. I'm doing a front suspension on an Audi A4. Thing is, the parts haven't turned up yet. Said the parts would be here yesterday, so I thought, right, I'll crack on with it today. It's the missus's car, and you just can't rely on eBay and parts arriving on time. So now I've got the thing in bits on the roadside. Show you what I've been doing. Right, guys, so it's filled its MOT on the two top arms, which you can see I've removed. This bottom arm, which is ready to come out, as you can see. That bottom arm it failed on. But that was a bit of a bastard. If you're doing this job, guys and girls, make sure you heat it up first. Don't just put a spanner on it. Because guess what? The head of the bolt snapped off. Where is it? There it is there. It all started turning at first and it just went snap. So if you're doing this job, it's what I should have done in the first place. Just heat this up. Right. So it failed on these two arms as well. That's one. And the other one. The spring looks alright. That looks okay. So yeah, I'm just waiting around, as you do, for parts to come from bloody eBay. There's the car. Tell you what, guys, this is the first time I've touched it in 3 years. Obviously you have to move that to get the bolts there. But yeah, it's been an absolutely fantastic car, this. One owner. I've been, the missus has been all over in it. She's been to Wales about 5 times. Yeah, they're back. And it hasn't missed a beat. Fantastic, these cars. So yeah, the Audi A4, it's a really, really good car. But as you can see, I've got it all in bits. That's the Range Rover, supercharged. That's the work vehicle. And it's all in bits on the side of the road where I have to work. And the parts haven't arrived. They should have been here yesterday. We haven't got much time to do this. I've only got another week to get all this sorted out. I'm very busy at the moment. The band's very busy. I'm busy. I've taken a day off to do this. It just pisses you off when they don't turn up on time. But hey, there you go. The parts are finally turned up, and now it's just time to get on with it. So I'm going to show you the best way to do this job. The hardest part about this job is this. Okay? Before you do anything, we're going to put heat on this to warm this up, so this bolt comes out easy. Because if you just turn on this, it cracks off quite easy. As soon as you're trying to turn that, that will snap. Right, guys and girls, just going to warm this up. That's a 16 mil. Look at that. So easy now. off really easy. Right, it's this side, guys. You've got to be able to turn. Yeah, it requires more heat. Believe me, this is so much work doing this. Right, we'll just keep it like that. Good crack off. See that, guys? Just a little bit of heat on the job. You see? She's moving. And we'll just keep this moving. Backwards and forwards like that. Finally got it out, guys. You see, what a bastard. Took about 45 minutes chewing around. Right, guys and girls, that was a bit of a bastard to get out. So we destroyed that. And then you see that little grommet up there, this here, it's a little twat to get out. Don't forget to get that out, otherwise the thing won't drop down. Okay. Right, guys, that was relatively easy to come out. Now it's just a case of lowering the spring down, and then we'll put the new arms on there. Right, we've got it off. Now all we need to do is replace the arms. Always remember, this one goes on the left, the one with the little knobbly bit. Left. Right, another little awkward bit. You've got to remove a plastic under tray just to get this bottom arm bolt out. I'll show you right now. So as you can see, this is rubbing against this plastic thing here to get the bolt out. So we just need to move these two like that, and then hopefully I'll just pull down like that, and then this bolt will just very easily, hopefully. You see, I'm trying to do it. Two jobs again on one hand. It will come out. It's nearly there now. I need an assistant to hold the phone. Yeah, we're out of there nearly. Yeah, it's just awkward, this job. It's fairly straightforward, but just fiddly. It's going to take a couple of hours now. I'm just messing about on the floor. If I had a ramp, I'd have this done in no time. As you can see, I've got all that back together with a new bolt in it. Right, so this should just pull straight out, just like that. One bottom arm out. And the new one in here somewhere. What I like to do as well, I get obsessed with this stuff. The squirty protection valve. Can you see what I'm doing? I love copper slip. Before you put the new one in, like that. Very straightforward. And then we'll put a bit on the end of there, just like that. But guys, this Audi A4 has been really good. We've had it about 3 years now. I bought it for the missus to run around in. She's been backwards and forwards to Wales to see her son at the university in Swansea. So she's clocked some miles up. This needs replacing. We're going to do this flexi hose. But yeah, this is the first time I'll get through its test. That's where it's failed its test on all. I mean, these are just wearing parts. I think they had the original ones in it. They've never been done before. And what we do before we tighten these up, you jack this up from here to here is 14.5 inches. Okay, so we measure from there to there, and then once you've jacked that up and that's 14.5 inches, then you nip them up. Okay. Okay, we've got the new bolt in. Once we have got this jacked up to 14.5 inches, we tighten this up to torque specs. I don't have a torque wrench, but I do it by feel. I don't need a torque wrench, I'm old school. And same with that one in there. Can you see it? And then we're going to bang that back in there. And then all's done. Right guys and girls, you can see I'm just using basic tools to do this job. Make sure you get one of these. How much gas is left? There's plenty of gas in there now. Yeah, because you're going to need one. Believe me. Right, so we got the bottom arm in. So both bottom arms have been done. I'm just going to nip them up now. Same with up there. All that's been done. Flexi hose is next. I'll have a go trying to crack that off. I think it's 11 mil. I've got an 11.5. It has been soaked down with WD-40. I need to get this flexi hose off. I think the other one I had to heat up. Yeah, it's cracked. Which is good. That one's cracked. This is the bastard one. This is the one that spun on me last time. Oh, it's cracked. Get in there. Okay, see the bubbles coming out of there. So before you do it, give it a good, just use plenty, make sure you get plenty of WD-40. I love the stuff. It's fantastic. Soak it down for a couple of hours. Just making your life easier. You know, this is an easy job, but this is the most difficult job. Get some heat it up, take your time. I mean, I started at 10 o'clock. It is now 10 past 12. So it's taken me two and a bit hours to do it. I'm not rushing. As you can see, I'm doing it on the floor. Yeah, if you've got a ramp, then this is an easy job. But when you're scrattling around on the floor like a little dog, then it just makes things a bit more awkward. But there you go, and that's done. As you can see, we'll put that in, and before my mum goes out, I'll ask her to come, because I've come to mother's. I don't have a driveway. Saltburn's very busy on a Saturday, so especially when the weather's nice. It's like everyone says it at the same time. Oh, let's go to Saltburn for a day out. So I've come here. Peace. see if we can crack this off as well, the bleed nibble, because again, soak it down. We'll just leave that for a bit. Right, I didn't see that, guys. Good tape measure, that's 14.5. And now we're going to tighten everything up. Once you do that, you've got to tighten that arm up. You've got to tighten that arm up. And we're going to tighten them up. Right, guys, we're just about done. We've got all the drop links on and everything, and all the bars. Well, we're all done, guys and girls. All done. But don't be scared of this job, have a go at it yourself. It's quite simple. Put the new flexi hose on. I've just bled the brakes with Mother. I've got her to pump the brakes and do that. It's very simple to do. So yeah, car's ready to go. We just need to put the wheel back on and then take it for its retest. And then that. Right, guys and girls, the job's done. All I need to do is just put the wheel back on. So, you know, if you're quite handy with spanners, it's quite a simple job to do. Just a bit awkward. It's just mainly heating that one bolt up. That's what the main, that's the hardest part of this job, is getting that out. But yeah, you're going to see me at the next classic car show that's coming up. I think it's over the Weatherby area. I think it's a hill climb as well. So on that note, see you soon.